From the welcome page, notice the weekly cheat sheets that are handy and help you keep track of each week's assignments. To start, let's access the weekly lessons. You do that by first clicking Course Content. Next, click Weekly Lessons. Let's view the coursework and resources for Week 1. Each week is packed with valuable resources that will rapidly build your knowledge. Check out the reading assignments for Week 1. Watch a few sample instructional videos to get you familiar with the wide variety of videos offered. Download the Self-Profile Resume Builder, Scales Journal, and Practice Log. Complete the worksheets, work out on interval training, and take the oral skills quizzes. The Ultimate Jazz Toolkit book covers all aspects of jazz fundamentals and is available as an interactive ebook. The online workbook matches the chapters identically. Easily turn the pages of the books with the shift and right and left arrow keys. Our assessment materials build many skills and may be used by a class or individual. Each worksheet comes with the grading instructions and instructions to complete the worksheet. Worksheets range from the basics to advanced theory to songwriting and tune memorization. Worksheets are comprehensive and in this case requiring students to visualize the scale on the keyboard, on the staff, and write the scale in letters to bring all three skills into focus. Over 70 worksheets teach students chord symbols, major and minor pentatonic scales, the blues scale, all seventh chords, all modes. They target 2-5-1 vocabulary with harmonic explanations. Also covered is chord scale relationships for solid mental reflexes. Chapters cover rhythm counting and teach students how to become awesome sight readers with lightning fast skills. 35 instructional videos accompany the Jazz Fundamentals package. In this video, we discuss extending minor chords using an economical principle called 2/1 out of the textbook. The notes from the 2 minor triad are the extensions 9, 11, 13, and have wonderful colors. Videos show multiple camera angles and a live rhythm section to demonstrate concepts. The keyboard view is always showing voices with instructions. At the end of the videos, playing demonstrations show concepts in real time. Review videos cover all the basics of harmony and give you instructions on the screen while you hear the information in real time. Videos relate directly to the textbook and in this case demonstrate the modes of the major scale and the chords they create. Other videos cover 2-5-1 vocabulary with example on the screen and a live rhythm section at different tempos. Other videos help you complete your songwriting assignment using 3 forms of the blues and display the changes on the screen. Work out on bebop scale basics with live rhythm section and examples on the screen. Learn all the best alterations to dominant chords and what they sound like. Arrows on the screen help you identify extensions. Videos have corresponding video quizzes and worksheets to solidify the knowledge. The online jazz flashcards provide the vital drill work and allow students to identify what they need to work on. The video quizzes have thousands of questions in our testing banks. Weekly quizzes provide excellent feedback and ensure musicians can understand concepts in all 12 keys, and over time help you master jazz fundamentals. The interactive gradebook has multiple views. See your grade for any assignment, or view the grid to see all grades from all assignments. Access jazz resources at any time. Under the course content link, select Worksheets. Scroll down the page and select a worksheet that is of immediate interest to you. The 35 instructional videos target all aspects of theory and can be viewed at any time. Download the Oral Skills Practice MP3s to your phone and work out to develop monster ears. Under Student Resources, click Online Jazz Links. We have compiled links that connect you directly to everything jazz, such as Jamie Aebersold, the Jazz Education Network, transcription and ear training website, and for those of you looking to gig, we provide a linked list of all the jazz festivals around the world. We also help you build your media materials with tools like the Self-Profile Resume Builder. This helps you capture everything you need in your resume and helps you keep track of this information for when you need it. But wait, there is a whole